Hi guys, good day, and today is Father's Day, and happy Father's Day to all dads out there in the world. Now we are gonna be unboxing this Huawei Bluetooth speaker, portable Bluetooth speaker. Now I've been wondering if how does how this would be like. Let's see. I don't know what's the name of this, but I've seen this in an online site. Oh, wow, guys, this is from Huawei, and what's inside of this box is, let's see, there's the Huawei USB Type-C adapter, and this is legit, guys. It has this a gift box package, guys. This is a good gift for your loved one. It's a Huawei car charger. Let's open it. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is the Huawei car charger. It comes with this package, including this warranty card, and this is the charger, USB Type-C also. And ta-da! This is portable speaker. Let's see what this sounds like. Included speaker cable. So another speaker cable, guys. Look, and here it goes. I'm gonna check the sound for this, guys. Look. Whoa, this is so cool. Let's see here. Oh, I think this is also a water resistant speaker. I don't know, I'm just gonna put it in the description box. Oh, but this is not a Type-C USB speaker. Look. Anyway, I'm gonna put the description below for this. I'm gonna put the specification for this, guys, and I think this will be, the sound of this is also good. Let's check it out. %50. 85. 89. 100.